Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up,
Today,
buddy?
I'm going to give you an update on
Okay.
my Charlie Mack appreciation
Let's
bill.
get to it.
So I started working on the motor,
Okay.
but I didn't finish it. So I moved on
Wow.
to the car. So we just go move on like that, huh? So since this is the Charlie Mack appreciation bill, part of the rules are you got to paint it his favorite color.
Okay.
Which is blue.
Wait.
So I'm going to go ahead and paint this
What?
Charlie Mack blue. No, it's not blue, it's green. Yeah, I was just joking.
Oh man, I almost had a panic attack.
So I didn't want to go with the Coronet kit hood.
Okay.
I wanted to go with the shaker hood from
Shaker.
Foose Charger kit.
Wow, they match up, huh?
Perfectly. So are you gonna put a vinyl top on it? Funny you should ask. I mean, it wasn't really funny. I didn't know if I wanted the black with the black stripe.
Oh, that look cool.
Or the white with the white
Okay.
stripe.
Ah, wait a minute.
Yeah, that was supposed to be a Super B, but it turned out looking like a superhero. You could say that again.
No.
So what are we going with? I think we're gonna go white. Yeah, I was thinking that one looked the best. And then with the white interior, oh yeah. So anyway, I masked off the whole car because I was paranoid. Left the stripe. I used pinstripe tape for the thin line.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that do look nice. Thank you. Wait, why are we whispering? Shh, don't shush me. Okay, so it's just one spot I need to touch up. I see. We're not whispering anymore.
Oh, I see.
I heard you when you whispered it. So what's up with the big green circles in the middle?
Oh yeah.
I got some red Super B decals to go in there.
Oh.
So that's why you drew the superhero. It was a B.